8 Korean dishes you love the most. Can you guess which one is number 1? 안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Thanks to your support, our channel has reached 100,000 subscribers. I truly appreciate it. Today I will be sharing a most loved videos that you all enjoyed. I've also prepared a small thank you event at the end, so I hope you will stick around until the end. Let's get started. Number 8. Japchae. Japchae was originally a dish eaten on special occasions or holidays, but nowadays it's a popular dish that people often make in their everyday lives. It's made with 3 glass noodles, stir-fried with ingredients like carrots, spinach, mushrooms, and meat, all mixed in a tasty soy sauce seasoning. Even though it has many ingredients, the flavors come together perfectly, giving it a rich and delicious taste. Japchae is a dish with lots of ingredients, so it's great on its own, but also delicious with rice. It's one of Korea's most popular noodle dishes. Number 7. Kimpa. Kimpa is a popular food in Korea that everyone enjoys. You just roll rice and different ingredients in kim, and it's ready to eat. You can add ingredients like carrot, spinach, pickled radish, eggs, meat, or ham, whatever you like. The name of the kimbap changes based on the ingredients you use. For example, if you add bulgogi, it's called bulgogi kimbap. And if you add chicken, it's chicken kimbap. There are many types of kimbap. The best thing about kimbap is that you can pick your favorite ingredients and make it your own way. People often take a kimbap on picnics or trips because it's easy to carry and perfect for eating in one bite. Number 6. Bulgogi. Bulgogi is a very popular and iconic dish. It's known for its flavorful combination of sweet and savory Korean-style marinade, which makes the meat tender and delicious. Traditionally, thin slices of beef are marinated with soy sauce, sugar, garlic, sesame oil, pear juice, and ground onions, then cooked in a pan. Bulgogi is often eaten with rice or wrapped in lettuce, along with a bit of samjang to enjoy the perfect mix of meat and vegetables. Additionally, bulgogi can be cooked in a broth like a Chapa for a healthier version. Simple yet full of rich flavor, bulgogi is truly a dish that represents Korean cuisine. Number 5. Korean fried chicken. Korean fried chicken is so delicious that once you try it, you will want more. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, giving it a great texture. If you eat it with a pickled radish, it makes the taste more refreshing. Korean chicken is fried twice, making it extra crunchy on the outside while staying soft inside. You can also choose from many different sauces like sweet and spicy or savory soy sauce to match your taste. With so many flavors, everyone can find something they love. Number 4. Tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is a popular Korean snack. It's made by cooking 3 rice cakes and fish cakes in a spicy and sweet red pepper paste sauce. Besides the main ingredients, you can also add vegetables like cabbage, green onions to make it even tastier. People sometimes add ramen noodles, sausages, or eggs depending on their preference. The combination of the spicy sauce and chewy rice cakes is what makes tteokbokki so irresistible. Tteokbokki is one of the most loved street foods in Korea. Number 3. Kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional fermented food that is always found on Korean dining tables. It's one of the most common side dishes that Koreans eat with almost every meal. Kimchi is made by brining Napa cabbage, draining the moisture, and then coating with a seasoning mix made from gochugaru, garlic, ginger, radish, pear, salted shrimp, and fish sauce. As the seasoning gradually soaks into the cabbage, the fermentation process starts, and over time it develops a crisp texture along with a refreshing and deep flavor. This makes kimchi one of Korea's most famous fermented foods. There are many different kinds of kimchi, such as Napa cabbage kimchi, gakdugi, cubed radish kimchi, water kimchi, green onion kimchi, and cucumber kimchi. As kimchi ferments, it becomes full of healthy probiotics that help with digestion, improve gut health, and boost the immune system. Because of these health benefits, kimchi is becoming more popular around the world. Number 2, rice paper dishes. I introduced a fusion dish using rice paper with a Korean twist, and many people really like it. Rice paper is usually used in Vietnamese cooking, but I tried using it with Korean ingredients to make something different. You can put your favorite fillings on the rice paper, roll it up, and grill it in a pan. It's really tasty. You can also use rice paper instead of seaweed to make a kimbap, or add it to dishes like potato pancakes or kimchi pancakes for a chewy and crispy texture. I also wrapped the stir-fried pork, 제육볶음, in rice paper, like a spring roll, and it was healthy and delicious. You can even deep fry rice paper or use it to make dumplings. There are so many ways to use rice paper in different recipes, which is why I think so many people enjoy it. Number 1, bibimbap. Bibimbap is one of the dishes that represents Korea. It's the video that has received the most views among all my videos so far. You put an appropriate amount of rice in a bowl and add fresh vegetables or seasoned greens on top. If you like meat, you can add that too. Then place an egg on top, drizzle a little sesame oil, add gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, and mix it all together. It tastes amazing. You can also put rice and your favorite toppings in a hot stone pot, add gochujang and mix it. This way your food stays warm and tastes the whole time. When you mix everything, the colors look beautiful and it looks so tasty. One bite fills your mouth with fresh flavors. Vegetarians can simply leave out the meat and egg and add their preferred ingredients. It's a simple yet healthy meal, and it's something Koreans eat often. Did you enjoy the video? To celebrate 100,000 subscribers, I want to thank you by giving away Chung's K-Food aprons to 5 lucky winners. Entering is simple. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the Korean dish you'd most like to eat. Check the description box for more details. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.